up, you guys? So today is day 8, I believe, of my vlogging, and I'm going pretty strong. I'm pretty proud of myself. So today, you're probably like, what is Brooke holding? I'll tell you in a minute. So today is kind of like a bad day for vlogging. It's dark outside, my daughter's sick, so I have to tend to her, so I don't have a lot of time today to be vlogging. Also, you know, I'm not feeling very well. She got sick, of course she gets me sick. So this video is gonna be quick and speedy, and I thought the best way to actually like get the bang for your buck in this video, since it has to be short, is a prank. So I was trying to think, you know, what can I do that would actually be funny? So my brother, he is home today. He wakes up at 4 every single morning to drive to his work. So what I decided we were gonna do, he's in my mom's room asleep. And for those of you who don't know, he actually sleeps in our living room. You probably saw that in our prank video. He has like a mattress and he sleeps in our living room. But you know, it works for us. I have my room, my sister has her room. We already had that. We didn't want to share a room. I already sleep in here with Ace. So it's just unrealistic. So he's in the living room and he's okay with that, and we're all okay with that. So judge us. So he's in my mom's room, like I said, taking a nap. She has the best bed, and I'm gonna sneak in there and I'm gonna just wake him up a little bit in the most horrifying way ever. So what I have is this little suctioner from my vacuum. I forgot what it was called. And I'm just gonna go ahead and go in there and suction his face. Now, I wanted to suction his mouth like Monsters Inc., but I was informed on the internet that that can kill people. So first off, I want to test this out to make sure he won't die. So I'm going to test it on myself, and then I'm gonna set up the camera. I'm gonna put the camera in the room, and we're gonna see how it goes. Hopefully he won't wake up. I have to open the shutters, so I'm hoping he won't wake up when I open the shutters. And I'm just gonna bada bing bada boom. So I'm about to test it out. Here we go. That's gonna be a rude awakening, you guys. All right, so I'm gonna go set the camera up. I'm gonna get the lighting okay. Hopefully he won't wake up from that. And then we gon' do it. Okay, so now I have to take the whole vacuum and put it in there, and I don't really know how I'm gonna be quiet doing that, but we'll see. So So of course my mom yells my name when I'm almost ready to do it. So I'm about to have to go in there again. I have all the stuff set up and we're gonna go in there, so. it. You're a psycho. Did that hurt?
Why do you play these games?
Sleep well. Alright, you guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. He got mad at me. He didn't really think it was funny. He tried to react nicely once he saw the camera, but he really was just mad. He threw the vacuum at me, so, you know. But I'm gonna take care of my baby because she's sick, and I think I'm starting to get sick, so we're just gonna deal with that. We're just gonna truck through that. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little small prank. Hopefully, you know, we have a lot more bigger pranks in store for the vlog. But can you say thank you? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you say noodle?
Noodle.
That's how she says noodle, guys. Say noodle. Noodle. She seems happy here, but she's been kind of grumpy all day. So we'll see you guys later. Without further ado, we're rolling out. Bye, guys. Peace.